Okay, now Shobha, you must respond to the point. One second, allow me to moderate this debate. Shobha must respond to the point that Santosh Desai makes. Shobha, don't jump in without hearing my question. Hear my question. I'll give you an opportunity to respond. Rahul Gandhi doesn't have a convincing story to tell the electorate of India. If he'd done this 2 years ago, he would have by now had a story to sell. Santosh Desai says he's woken up too late. He simply doesn't have a convincing story to tell. Respond to this question.
Rahul Gandhi has been working all these years for the youth of this country, the women of this country, and within the party, outside the party. So I totally disagree that he has no convincing story. He has a vision. He is talking about inclusive politics and opportunity for everyone in this country. He has a vision. He doesn't have a dictatorial image what Mr. Modi has, or what Mr. Modi has been projecting, or the party has been projecting, as if they have no leader. Just Mr. Modi. See all the ads what they come. It's only Mr. Modi you see on the Voters' Day ad. If you see of BJP, you see Mr. Modi, a tall picture of Mr. Modi and no other person around him, just single figure. You see that ad.
But we know that the BJP is trying to do that, Shobha. The BJP is trying to do that. We know that. The question is, why is the Congress now copying them?
That's what I'm coming.
We know that the BJP is doing that. Their campaign is about Modi's personality. Why is the Congress copying them?
Congress is not doing that. Congress is speaking of Har Haat Shakti, Har Haat Unnati. Congress is speaking of here a young man with young vision who speaks of inclusive growth, who speaks for each individual, each citizen of this country, who is a visionary like his father, who's given so much to this country. And this young boy promises so much to the country given an opportunity. So here is a soft personality who takes everyone, wants to listen to everyone, takes entire country along with him. And here is a dictator who has a fascist face, who speaks of himself, who is I, me and myself. So here is the contrast, and the contrast is very successful.
But Santosh Desai, I could counter-argue by saying that if Rahul Gandhi claims this is about collective leadership, it's not only about his personality, the ads only have his face. I don't see Chidambaram, Antony, or any other leader, Shinde, Meera Kumar.
So many young men and women.
There's only Rahul Gandhi whose image is being projected. How do you respond to what Shobha has just said?
With so many people.
Santosh Desai.
Yeah. No, I think that, that's the, when you have a lot of nameless kind of young people in the background, I mean, you can theoretically argue that, it's a collective and this is the young force that is going to come and transform politics. But the point is that, really, where is this young force? Where has it been deployed? And I really think, the Rahul Gandhi's orientation has been a very inward orientation. He's still trying to talk about reforming his own party. This is not an orientation that is aimed at the problems that the country is facing. For many, many years, he has had this hypothesis that the way that change will happen is that from the bottom up, through the Youth Congress, one step at a time, the party will get overhauled. He's taken 10 years, nothing has come of it. 10 years on, he's still doing the same thing. It's a very inward, very limited view. The country's question, see, the Narendra Modi appeal today is precisely, yes, he's a strong single leader, and the appeal is because there is this sense of scattered, lack of ownership, nobody taking responsibility. In the UPA, you have somebody providing a counter to that. By speaking again in this sort of a namby-pamby kind of a weak collective, which is formless, you are in fact speaking again to those anxieties and furthering the anxieties. By saying that we really don't have a plan. We don't have a plan. We don't have a collective, a strong leadership. If you want strong leadership, chances are that you are pushing people to look at the other side.
Okay, you've heard various points of view being very fiercely and passionately argued. I'm out of time on part 1 of Centre Stage tonight. Mr. Alec Padamsee, Harish Bijur, Santosh Desai, Shobha Oza and Sudhanshu Mittal for joining us on our program this evening. Thank you very much. You've heard